YouTube, this is Kai and welcome to my new series. Kai can do stuff. Today I'm showing you how I change out the weed whacker line on my Black Decker weed whacker. So the first thing is you have to go to a store and pick up a new line, and they'll tell you you can order it here, but it's just as easy as going to Home Depot or Lowe's, and I'm not being sponsored by any of them. But I went to Lowe's and I got a 3-pack, and I just went up and, you know, measured it and was able to pick up the one. So it was easy to pop it off because it has these two things that come here, and you just push them and you pop it off. So how do you replace it? You have to make sure that this part fits on the top with the spring part. And the first thing you need to do is put the line through the hole. Get a picture of the hole. So you have to measure, because if you're not careful, this thing will unravel itself. So I'm holding it here, I'm putting the line through, and then I'm sticking it there and I'm holding it, and it pops in like that. And then next you have to make sure you're lining it up. Now it tells you the way the arrows are going. I think as long as you get it in the hole, it should be fine. And then you have to line up where the tabs go in, like this, like so. That. Once you line it in, you pop. Now some things I forgot to mention is you definitely want to make sure you've taken the power source out. So if you had a battery one, you need to undo the battery. And if I have an electric one, so I unplugged it, because, you know, anytime you change things out, you don't want to have the power, because it can always be an oops. And yep, that's it. So thanks again for checking out Kai Can Do Stuff. For more interesting and fun things to do that you don't have to worry about a man, check out my series. Thanks. Bye. What do you think? Do you think that's good?